well joining in on the show right now. Sanjiv, hi, good morning. Good to have you on the show. And let's start off with Wipro. Sanjiv, how are you reading now this new change of guard? Because there's just no stability at the top, which Wipro has managed to, hold through.
Yeah, good morning, Aisha. It's difficult to comment why this happened. What I think Mr. Delaporte has been a stellar performer as far as the CEO goes. And if you've seen the stock performance and the underlying business update, the earnings all have been on a very, very strong wicket. But I think that, we'll wait for more commentary. However, there has been a transitory phase at some of the large cap IT stocks, and it's not just evident at the ground level, it's also at the top level due to attrition and other failure, inflation. And I think this is part and parcel. As a brand, Wipro, as the product line on BFSI and the other acquisitions which they've done, I think Wipro can be a stellar performer. So I would use this decline to buy. But like I said, we need to hear more from the management, whether it was routine or there was some underperformance or there was some which we may not be able to decipher till it comes. I would use any decline to be a buying opportunity. I think Wipro has been one of the star performers in top large cap IT, and we still think that is going to be an outperformer in the near term.
Case those Sanjeev with Bandhan Bank, right? Because Chandrasekhar Ghosh, who's the founder as well as the CEO, his resignation, his stepping down has come as a bit of a surprise, though.
Correct, Aisha, and bad news for bad stocks is only getting evident, whether it's Z or Paytm or now Bandhan. Now, whether there was some RBI move or not, we will never know. But if the transition can be done smoothly, to tell you, Mr. Ghosh was far more adamant on a lot of decisions. And if they do get someone who's more flexible, then the underlying asset base of the bank is doing extremely well. If you saw their recent CASA ratio, Bandhan Bank, by the way, has almost 3.25 crore accounts. And I think that maybe this transition could be actually a positive for the bank if the succession is, well endowed. Because Mr. Ghosh was unrelentlessly a very, very uncompromising man when it came to a lot of business decisions. Hence, the growth was lagging because of the uncollateralized assets, so and so forth. But let's hear more about that. In the short term, you're right, it is a negative.
Okay, that aside then, just wanted to get in your take on the overall markets. Are you saying I told you so? Because despite the fact that FIIs haven't been quite supportive, the globe hasn't performed all too well last week. We've got the markets perched at all-time highs, and it's been the retail participation that has led us here.
Correct. Good morning, Awan. And it's all about the outperformance of HDFC Bank, which has now put further impetus to the bank Nifty, which was a laggard. And I think that could be a sweet spot because if you heard the RBI policy, he seemed very, very candid about the growth. He was very optimistic on the growth outlook, which means bank deposits, credit deposit ratios, all are seeing much more better uptake. So like I said, it may be stock specific. The index may not have much steam. You would wait for earnings because that will be a key catalyst. But like I said, HDFC Bank has regained its mojo. And Bank Nifty is something which you should keep your eyes. But, Avan, you have to be stock specific. So I'll name some stocks which we think can be outperformers from here. The index may be status quo for some time till earnings catch up.
Okay, that's the view coming in with respect to the overall markets. But lots to track as well when it comes to...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.